I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making Rocky Road fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I have to tell you, today's recipe is one of the easiest we've made here in the Candy Kitchen. Making this fudge takes less than 10 minutes and is perfect for small children who want to help make some candy. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Rocky Road fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. To make this recipe, you'll need 180 grams of chocolate chips, 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 65 grams of mini marshmallows. I'm using marshmallows that I made, but store-bought will work almost as well, and 110 grams of peanuts. You'll also need something in which to melt your chocolate, an 8x8 baking pan, a spoon or spatula, and some parchment or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. Grease the baking pan, line it with parchment, then grease the parchment. Put the chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk in the microwave and heat them for a minute or two just until the chocolate melts. Then stir in the vanilla extract, and fold in the peanuts and marshmallows. Pour the mixture into the lined baking pan and spread it evenly. Refrigerate it until it's set, then remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it! Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchava. This is just delightful. Great chocolate flavor, not too sweet. The pillowy marshmallows add a nice chewy contrast to the salty, crunchy peanuts. The taste completely belies how easy this is to make. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. The pillowy marshmallows add a nice chewy contrast to the sweet... No, they don't. The taste completely belies how easy this is to eat.